So I've been standing here for the last 15 minutes and a really great enjoyment seeing those people try to row a boat. They made it quite far, 5 meters. And now they're turning in circles. The other one is giving instructions. Alright. We have a switch off. Okay, now 2 people. Let's see if that goes better. Oh, great enjoyment. Where are they trying to go? The ducks are scared, they're bailing. Oh, okay, now they figured out that they have to pull the rudders out of their waters after they stroke. So... Oh, amazing. We're all standing here for quite a while in sheer amusement. I know it's mean, but come on. Yeah, it's glorious. I haven't even had time to look at the beautiful palazzo in the background here. Just too funny. Okay, now they're turning. Now they're turning. They figured it out. Look at the technique. That's how you do it. A lesson in rowing. Okay, okay. They're lining up. Okay. Alright, now.
Komm, wir können ihnen Schutz geben.
They are stranded. They have to call Coast Guard now. Okay, now they're turning around. Alright. This is glorious. Oh, they're stuck. The dude who runs the ships, he doesn't give a crap. He's just like, well... Okay, I think they decided it's time to give up. Just sit there. Yo, you want me to call Coast Guard? No? Alright. Oh my god. This is glorious. There was another boat before, I thought they're the biggest retards ever, but yeah, those two take the cake. Jesus Christ. Okay, hey. Now they are drifting again. Okay, okay, where are we going? Okay, turn around again. Alright. Okay, down there. Oh man. This is glorious. Okay, here come the next 2. Let's see if they got it. Yeah, the boat rental guy. He can't be asked. Look, maybe... Oh yeah, okay, okay, that looks good. See, that's how you do it. He's turning on the spot. Now... Compared to this. Maybe they will be able to, you know, look at the guy rowing past now and figure out how it's done. Alright. I so want to jump in there and show them. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's gonna work. Oh man. Here, look, it's very simple. Very simple. This guy got it. Bueno. Oh, now they're looking. See. They're trying to replicate it. Oh God, man. Okay, where are we going? Against the wall again. Jesus Christ, man. This is the best. Yeah, those people, everybody is standing here.
Sie müssen so einen Kreis machen und
Sie können sich von Wand zu Wand abstoßen mit den Paddeln.
einer muss raus und das Flügel weg. Vielleicht sollen wir bei YouTube schauen, wer es ist.
Oh. Well, I'll keep you posted if they ever made it back. I highly doubt it. So if you read a newspaper article, 2 Asian tourists stranded at the Piazza de España in Sevilla, you know what happened. Hey, hey. So it's 15 minutes later. They had at least 20 people rowing by, showing them how it's done. No progress. Now they're back to the single stroke tactic. Black dress is on the rudder. Pink shirt is giving advice. They're still stuck there.
Ja, es ist so herrlich. Bis sie noch mal an Land kommen, aber ich glaube nicht, dass die noch verhungern.
Alright. Turning in place. Yeah, they're stranded. Never to be seen again. Lost in the Canale Grande.